Hello everyone, we're back with some more furniture tutorials, and this week we're going for that maximum profit. I finally figured out one of the most important steps for getting that maximum price, and I will share it with you at the end of this video. Also make sure to read the comment section because we're doing a giveaway with Redesign with Prima. Hoo-hoo! As for the buffet, well, it's getting an extreme makeover, so let's get started. Busy.
Heading back to what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again. Driving this like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control.
Yes,
I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day, heading back to what used to be home.
You're such a good boy.
New beginning and every bend goes to new end.
I picked up this buffet at the new store I found here in Maine for $200. It's a little pricey for us, but now that we got a new way to sell furniture, I can afford to buy much better pieces to flip. First thing we have to do is remove the hardware and get some primer on it. It's a dark red wood and it's definitely going to bleed without a primer with shellac. It's very important to have shellac in it. Now for my color. We're using melange paints again and we're making our own custom color with it. It's a 2-to-1 mixture of softest pink and Mojave brown. Look at this beautiful color it created. I'm in love with it. I wanted something special. I wanted a special color and I wanted a feminine color because I wanted to make this piece a feminine beauty. Also, the coverage on these colors is amazing. Okay, we got our paint on, and now it's time for the fun part. It's time to glam up this buffet. So for this, we're going to use Modern Masters Metallics and glass bead gel. I carefully chose metallic color because I wanted something special. And it took me hours to figure out which metallic paint I wanted. I'm using warm silver as my color. To mix the glass bead gel, you just pour your paint into it and fill out how much paint you want. It really just depends on how much glass bead gel you use and how pigmented you want it. I get it to around this consistency. Once you got that ready, it's time to apply it on. Also, I'm using this mini damask stencil. It's basically a smaller version of my favorite stencil. I'm using a spatula, and really you just want to fill the stencil with your glass bead gel. Gently scrape over it to get any extra off. You don't want this to be too thick. It's beautiful every time. I just cannot go wrong with this glass bead gel raised stencil. And I think I should just put it on every piece of furniture because it's so gorgeous and so glamorous. Very important step in between every glass bead gel application is cleaning it up. And you don't want this in your plumbing system, so clean it outside. Also, cleaning up the edges is easy with just a napkin or your finger. Now for some detailing, I'm using my metallic paint and I'm applying it here and there wherever I think it looks good.
Clearing tears in your eyes at every step of our goodbyes. Pink pearls and a ruffled worn sweater, you left them behind like a love letter. I can make a sentence and nothing makes sense. We had our moments, I relive now, again and again. You were like a solar eclipse on my lips, like hiccups and coughs, wreck the voices. My solar eclipse, go off script, give me hiccups and coughs.
For my hardware, we're going with Decor Wax from Redesign with Prima. It's a gold gilding wax and it's got the perfect tone for the hardware. I wanted my hardware to stand out. I didn't want it to blend in with the rest of the design. This gilding wax is great, just make sure you gild your hardware ahead of time and let it dry for a few hours, and that way it will be cured and it won't transfer to your hands. Also, I tried adding some of this gold for the details, but I didn't like the contrast. I just didn't like it. Sometimes you gotta try to see what you like. So I removed it very easily with mineral spirits. Mineral spirits will remove any kind of wax, so it comes in very handy. A must-have. I painted the trimmings with my metallic paint instead. I wanted to do something special for inside the doors, and decoupage paper is perfect for this. I couldn't figure out which one I wanted. I ended up deciding this one will be perfect. It is washed damask. I don't know why, but I love damask so much. Like, I just love that design. It's so gorgeous. It screams royalty. It does it? I'm using soft matte gel to apply it. I spread that everywhere and apply my decoupage paper on. To cut the edges, you just need sandpaper. It comes off very easily. Something I definitely noticed is that applying the matte gel on the inside helped it stick much better. Honestly, I never used this before, so I might have applied it too much. Who knows? Finally, to protect the piece, we're going with Melange Matte Finish. This top coat is very easy to use, it goes on so smooth and doesn't yellow your pieces. I applied 2 coats of it and it was time to put the hardware back on and be done. And wow, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. I'm so in love with this piece. It is so beautiful. It is gorgeous. I just don't have words to describe how much I love this piece. It's always good when your vision turns into reality. Okay, now for the fun stuff. How we are going to flip this for $2,000. The Etsy marketplace is a perfect community for the furniture art, but I could never figure out shipping out the large pieces of furniture. Well, thanks to my friend Quida from All Shopped Out, that all changed. There is way too much to go over everything, but I will cover it in its own video. I listed my very first piece of furniture on there and it sold in just over a week. How exciting is that? So we will list this one for $2,000 and I will let you know how quick it sells. Don't forget to read the comment section to see if I sold it and enter the giveaway. I really hope you loved this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time with a new project and more ideas. Bye guys!